guys, and welcome to this video. In today's video I will show you what I am going to pack for my Thailand trip. I will be away for 4 weeks and this is what I'm going to pack. And now I have some knowledge about what I need to pack after I've spent 3 months in Central America. So here goes. The first thing I'm packing is a lot of underwear, and yeah, that's just a very nice thing to have. I have 20 pairs just to be exact, and I am putting them in this little bag. Next thing is socks. I have 5 pairs and I'm also putting them in one of these. Next I have a bra, and I also have a sports bra somewhere along my mess right here. All this I show here is for my main backpack. I also have some hand luggage as well, but I'm gonna get into that as well. Then I'm packing some shorts, some cowboy denim shorts. Then I am going to travel in this, I think, I'm not quite sure yet, in this sweatshirt. And I'm also going to wear these pants. They are just amazing, nice, cozy, and also sporty. I'm going to pack this Nike sport blouse, and I can swim with it, or if we are going to surf, then I can surf in it. So that is very good to have. Then I am just bringing a basic t-shirt, basic white t-shirt, and I am actually bringing a few tops because if we want to go out, I would like to look a bit nice. So first top is this one. Next I am bringing my top from my Central America haul I bought in Mexico, this one, because it's very nice. I'm also bringing this, which is so cute, and I am bringing this, which is also a cute top. And this is a complete mess right now. I am traveling tomorrow on the 18th of April, and today it's the 17th, and yeah, I'm in a bit of a hurry because I need to pack and everything, so yeah. And this shirt, which is a cute cropped t-shirt as well. And then I have a pink set with the shirt, this shirt here, and matching shorts, which are here. That's very cute. Then I have my sports bra. I have these very nice ones with a lot of pockets. I thrifted these and they are just very cool. Then I have these shorts as well, which is just some basic workout shorts I like to wear. Very cozy, nice. And last but not least, I have these shorts. Then I have one shirt remaining, and it's just this, which is a basic black t-shirt. Then we have swimwear, and I have 2 bathing suits with me. First one is this one, then the rest of my swimwear is in here. And first I have this, which is kind of a plate that I can lay on the beach, but you can also throw it around your body. Very cute. I bought it in Cape Verde in Africa. My second bathing suit is this, which is a very nice and cute bathing suit. I got it from my mom. She wore it when she was young. Very nice. I love that. Then I have a real sarong, I think it's called, just a black one. Then I have a Baywatch bikini, very cute red bikini, and a checkered bikini. Then we have my #1 accessory, and I speak about it in my what to pack video. I'll link it up here, and it's my hat, my great sun hat. Very good must to have with you, especially because it's like 35 to 40 Celsius degrees in Thailand. It's so hot, so I need that hat. Then I have some products. I have these body wash wipes. I have this for my phone to go underwater. I have this for my money. I have this product, and it's a miracle product my mom always gives me to spray if I have a burn or something like that. Very cool. Then I have a lot of shampoo and conditioner. It's things that I collected on our last trip to Central America, so I have a lot of this now. No need to buy anything. Then I have this bag with some facial sunscreen and a night mask from Origins, just a lip mask as well. I'm here again with my medicine bag, so I have a lot of different medicine in there. Then I have this, which is my silk mix liner. I bring it again, it's against bed bugs, just to be sure. And I have my fast drying towel, and I have a shaver and a dry shampoo in travel size because I didn't pack dry shampoo for my Central America trip and I really needed it, so this time I have it with me. I also have this brush, which I also speak about in my what to pack, a nice small brush. Then I have some deodorant, of course, very important. I have 3 perfumes from Clean. Then I have some hand sanitizer. I have my disposable disposable camera. I have international driver's license. I really hope we are going to rent a scooter so I can drive. Would be freaking cool. Then I have these Birkenstocks ones. So I learned my lesson from last time I packed Yeezy, and I said in my backpacker video that I would have packed these, so now I'm packing these. Then I have some cream for my face, I have some body lotion, some makeup remover, I have all of my makeup, or not all, I have the necessities, and I can also do a get ready with me or makeup routine, makeup travel routine, something like that. So if you would like to see that, please write a comment, then I can make it for you. I have some sun oil, I have some after sun, I have some sunscreen as well, both SPF 50 and 30. And last but not least, I have some aloe vera. I also have this rain poncho. Yeah, it's not as compact anymore because I've used it. And I have some goggles and a snorkel because I want to bring it myself so we can do it on the beach. And my friend, she also has some goggles because I gave it to her as a birthday present last year. So yeah, we are looking so much forward to do this. I am fully prepared for this trip. So that was actually it for my entire backpack, but let's head on to the hand luggage. And I have one of the first things, I have some games. I have this Uno. I have Women Don't Owe You Pretty from Flo and Skibbin, which I'm looking so much forward to read. I also have a card game, regular card game, and I have a notebook for anything I would like to write. Then I have my diary. I am also going to bring my computer so I can edit my videos and stuff like that, and we can watch maybe a movie. Then I have my fanny pack for important things. I of course have my charger for my computer. I have my wallet. I have a locker with me. I have these night glasses so I can sleep hopefully on the plane. I have a power bank, always a good idea to bring. And then I have asthma, and so I need to bring my medicine to the hand luggage. And I have an extra with me, so I have a backup. And then I also have something for my ears, earplugs, so I can sleep. And yeah, that was actually it. I do not have more packed than that, and I am just gonna travel in my normal running shoes because they are very good to walk in. And yeah, that is actually it. I have learned my lesson from the last trip I went on, because in Thailand I would like to have space enough to buy stuff there. So I really have learned my lesson, and now I'm just ready to leave, and now I just need to pack everything. I am going to pack it in these things. I have 3 of them, but I'm also only gonna use 2 of them. And then my bag is just very nice and easy to find everything. So that was actually it for this video. This is what I am bringing for 1 month in Thailand, and then I hope I find some nice stuff while I'm there. That would be very cool. And if you liked this video, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. It will mean the world to me. And then there's nothing else to say than see you in my next video, which 100% is going to be a Thailand video. So I am looking forward to that. I hope you are as well, and thank you so much for watching. Have a very nice day. Goodbye.